On this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall a shallow well pump. Today we're on an adventure in eastern Kentucky. This Superior well pump lasted for a couple of years. I've got a Drummond right here that I'm going to try out. You see this old rusted pipe right here? I'm just going to cut it in two, and then I'm going to turn this out, and then I'm going to turn this out and replace this part because it needs to go. So I'm just unscrewing this piece instead of trying to mess up this hose here. Got this old one pulled out. You can see how it's ran through the grommet and hooked up accordingly. Now the new one has a plug that came with it, so we're going to have to get rid of that. This will just turn off, then we'll run the old wire in here. And why are we doing that? Because out here in this old well house there's no plug-in. So let's take this loose. We'll take this wire and this wire. That does away with this plug. Now we take the old wire off of the old pump and install it the same way on here. And I've also got my grommet here from the old one that I put in there. Fits in there perfectly. Make sure these are real good and tight. Once you're done tightening these, just get your casing put back on there. Make sure that's tight. Went ahead and put Teflon tape on this old fitting. And this is 1 inch. This is going to be pretty standard for these well pumps. The way this old one was set up, this one just goes in and they have a hose clamp on it. Now I'm just using the PEX fittings to replace what was here. And I don't have this tightened up yet. That way I can get this on. We're in a very rural area. I would prefer 1 inch pipe that's not the PVC, but that's pretty thick. I would prefer the PEX, but they don't have it, so you got to work with what you have. Push it in and then pull it. And you can see how it's connected. Next thing we want to do is loosen this purge valve. This has got some Teflon tape. It's going to have to come out of there because it's all gooped up in there. We'll fill up the unit with water so we don't ruin the pump. So now we're going to put our funnel in there. Funnel? Well, that's the only thing I have. And one thing I just found out is this pretty much screws right in there. Pretty sturdy. Now we pour our water in there up to the top of the pump. See how that water is right there on the main top of that? So we're just about ready to try this out. And that completes our installation. Thanks for watching Make It Work Dan, and thank you so much for subscribing.